Have you ever looked at the infinity symbol and felt that there was something mystical about it? Something ancient, powerful, almost alive with energy? Well, today I am going to reveal some of the hidden secrets of the infinity symbol and share 7 gentle but powerful practices you can use with infinity to create more money, wellness, harmony, and even help your pets, children, technology, and your own energy in social situations. I actually did a video about this topic back in 2013, and since then I've learned a lot and I want to share that information with you. But before we dive in, if we haven't met yet, I'm Esther, a core belief therapist, intuitive, and energy reader for over 21 years. I help people discover and transform their limiting beliefs and systems so they can create and live the life that they truly desire. All right, now let's get into the information, starting with origins and hidden history. The infinity symbol comes from an ancient Latin word meaning decorated with ribbons or loop. It's that elegant sideways figure 8, a never-ending curve that flows from one side to the other in perfect balance. Mathematicians began using it in the 1600s to represent infinity, the concept of something that never ends. But this symbol existed long before mathematics ever made claim to it. In ancient Egypt, it represented eternal life. In Tibet, it symbolized the endless cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. In Greek mysticism, it reflected the Ouroboros. That's the serpent eating its own tail, the eternal rhythm of creation and return. To our ancestors, this wasn't just a shape. It was a living pattern of energy, a symbol of how everything flows, evolves, and transforms without ever truly ending. And it is part of sacred geometry. So what exactly is sacred geometry? It is the study of the divine patterns that shape all of life. It's how energy expresses itself in form, the blueprint of creation. From the spiral of a seashell to the orbit of planets, from snowflakes to galaxies, everything follows geometric order. The infinity symbol is one of those sacred patterns. It represents perfect harmony, endless motion, and equilibrium. When you trace or visualize the symbol, you are syncing up your personal energy with the natural rhythm of the universe. That's why it feels so grounding. It brings you back into alignment with cosmic order. The infinity loop is also a visual expression of yin and yang, the ancient Taoist symbol of duality and balance. Yin is the feminine energy, intuition, rest, stillness, and receptivity. Yang is the masculine energy, action, focus, expression, and movement. When these two forces are in harmony, there is flow. Creation unfolds naturally. But when one dominates, life feels chaotic, blocked, exhausting. The infinity symbol teaches us to keep those energies dancing together, to give and receive, to act and allow. That's where true balance and true manifestation happens. Now, let's connect the infinity symbol to something you probably know something about already, the law of attraction. The law of attraction says that your thoughts and emotions send out a vibrational signal that the universe responds to. Whatever energy you hold most consistently, you attract more of that into your life. This concept forms the foundation of the work that I do with my clients. You may have heard of Dr. Joe Dispenza. He explores the science of energy, and he explains this concept beautifully. Your thoughts are the electrical charge that you send out into the field, and your emotions are the magnetic charge that pulls reality back to you. The infinity symbol perfectly mirrors that process. It's a continuous loop of giving and receiving, thinking and feeling, sending and attracting. When you consciously work with this symbol, you retrain your subconscious to stay in flow instead of moving into resistance. You stop pushing and forcing, and you start allowing and attracting. That's where real manifestation begins. In the moment that you align your thoughts, emotions, and energy with infinite flow. Now let's talk about how to actually use this energy. Here are 7 gentle, practical ways to bring the power of the infinity symbol into your daily life. And let's start with money flow. Visualize the infinity loop connecting you with money. First of all, visualize abundant money energy in the universe, moving continuously from the universe to you and back to others through your generosity. Now add the infinity symbol to that visualization, looping it inside of you and then out in the universe around the money energy. Perhaps picture a symbol of what money is to you, like a dollar sign, a Bitcoin emblem, green color, sparkling lights, and imagine the infinity symbol looping inside of you and outside of you in the universe around this symbol and coming back to you, a never-ending flow. For physical healings, hold your hand about 10 centimeters above the area that hurts and slowly trace the infinity symbol. You can even place a drawing of it on the area or under your pillow while you're sleeping. It restores harmony and flow in your energy field. For example, if I bumped my elbow and it hurts, I rub it to bring energy flow to that area, and I wave my hand over it using the infinity symbol. Try it sometime and watch to see what happens. For pets, if your pet feels tired or unsettled, wave the infinity symbol gently over them. It calms their energy and strengthens their life force. Now, for children, when your child gets a minor bump or scrape, check them out to see if the injury needs more attention. And while you're at it, wave the symbol over the area and tell them something like, "Oh, the boo-boo is all better," or "It's all done now." This helps the child feel comforted and teaches them that healing comes from within. For plants, give your plants a little energy blessing by drawing the infinity symbol in the air above them. It helps your plants to thrive by reconnecting them to natural flow. Now, what about for technology or the spaces that you live in? When your computer acts up or your car feels wonky or you walk into a room and the energy is not right, imagine the infinity symbol looping through it, clearing energy, restoring order, and grounding your space. And then for relationships and mental clarity, before a conversation that you anticipate might be tense, visualize the infinity symbol between you and the other person, or maybe even at your throat chakra to encourage balanced expression. If your mind feels jumbled, imagine the infinity loop connecting your left and right brain, bringing harmony to your thoughts. These are 7 easy and practical ways that you can start using the infinity symbol energy today. Now, here's an important reminder. The power of energy and sacred geometry should never replace medical attention when it's needed. If someone is injured or unwell, always seek professional care. While you're in that space, you can still use the infinity symbol in your mind or with your hands to create calm, harmony, and ease for everyone involved. And then when you go home to heal, continue using the symbol as part of your recovery, as a companion tool, not a substitute. And yes, I believe deeply in energy healing, but collective consciousness still leans towards traditional medicine. That belief shapes the results that people experience. Now, if I had a major health issue, I would probably seek decentralized medicine. Note decentralized, and use the infinity symbol as a tool for healing alongside of it. Many people use the infinity symbol as part of their manifesting practice, but they also notice that their manifestations sometimes stall. Even though they're doing all the right things, they will hit a roadblock. That's often the result of hidden beliefs or energetic blocks at play. If you are ready to finally make your dream a reality, to stop second guessing, wondering if you're worthy, and doing that stop start routine, I invite you to check out my Make Your Dream a Reality Jumpstart program. It's for you if you're tired of talking about your dream and you're ready now to live it. In just 5 weeks, we clear beliefs blocking you, activate your manifesting power, and get real movement towards your goal in a way that feels easy and aligned. This program isn't about forcing or hustling. It's about becoming the energy that naturally attracts what you desire. So what are you ready to create? What dream have you been holding back on? You'll find the link below for more details about this program. And before you sign up, send me an email so that we can connect personally and make sure it is the right fit for you. This program is very deep, very personal, and we're going to talk to see if we're a good fit. If you found this video valuable, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any future content. And comment below, which of the infinity symbol practices are you going to try first? I read every comment and I love hearing from you. Oh, and don't forget to check out the video that's popping up on the screen next. It's packed with more ways to boost your manifesting practice and get real results. Ciao for now.